I want to teach you how to set up, develop and market a restaurant or any other food business so that it will increase your chances of success using all of the same systems, strategies and techniques that I've used with my own food businesses. Hi, I'm Matt Longfoot. I am a restaurateur and a qualified chef, and I'm also an entrepreneur. I've owned multiple restaurants, a catering company, all of which that I've sold after buying them as failed businesses, developing them into fully booked businesses that are highly profitable, selling them for a nice profit. All you have to do is click the link in the comment section below this video, or even same again in the description in this video, click another link that will give you direct access to this course that will show you and guide you using video tutorials, downloadable resources, automated and formulated spreadsheets to help you with every different aspect of exactly what you need to know. Now, if it's been your dream to set up a restaurant or have a food truck traveling a country in the hot blazing sunshine, or maybe you just want to set up a bakery, it doesn't matter what style of food business you're thinking of. Most of my clients, it's restaurants. But this course has 26 plus different sections and 40 plus downloadable resources, tailor-made, meticulously crafted, hand-picking all of my knowledge and experience over 20 plus years of being in the hospitality industry to basically create this amazing course to teach people like you all the things that you need to know to find the perfect premises, get the perfect paperwork involved to safeguard your business in the future, get the right staff, write the right menus, cost everything out properly, you name it, it's all in there. So all you have to do now is click the link below, as I say, in the comments or in the description of this video, and it will give you direct access to the Restaurant Mastery course. I wish you all the best of luck in your ventures, because once you've completed this course, you're going to be so much more likely to succeed in your business in the future. I wish I had this opportunity when I was in your situation, so don't pass up this amazing opportunity. It's a no-brainer. You're just going to inherit, as I say, 20 plus years of experience from me buying, selling restaurants. So click that link. I'll see you in class. Thank you very much. Enjoy. Bye-bye.